I miss you too. I love you. I love you 4. I love you 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love you. Please say you love me too. There's 3 words they could change the lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Hello, Mr. Shorot. Nathan, hello. My gosh, I love Pitch. Your legs are very beautiful. Wow. I love you. Please say you love me too. There's 3 words that can change the life forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Yay! I can sing. You're crazy, Tisha, really. My goodness, I am sleeping, guys. I'm so sleepy. Full of nut cats. I love you. Please say you love me too. I must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. Oh yeah, break it down, yo. To whisper in your ear, our words are old as time. Where's only you here, if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. Kapoy kanta ay, kalimot ko sa lyrics. I love you. Sa taglo.